Hi everyone, welcome back. In our FB group we did a poll, I think about a week or 2 weeks ago. The poll was for members to vote on stitches they would like to learn, and most of you showed an interest in the Moss Stitch. So in today's video I'm going to quickly do a short tutorial on how to crochet Moss Stitch. I've started a scarf. This scarf is 44. I chained 44 stitches, but in today's tutorial I'm just going to do a short demonstration, a small demonstration with 20 stitches. Okay, so you start with a slip knot, and then you chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so you've got your 20 stitches. You're going to start on row 1. So to start row 1, you skip these 3 stitches. You skip 1, 2, 3, and you single crochet into the 4th chain. And then you chain 1. You skip 1 stitch, 1 chain, and then you crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, crochet into the next chain. Continue repeating the same steps until you get to the end of row 1. So we're at the end of the row. You've got your chain 1 there, skip this chain and single crochet into the last chain. Chain 2, 10. Now you're working on your second row. You single crochet into the chain 1 space, there. Make a single crochet, chain 1, and then you go into the space here between the 2 single crochets. Chain 1, then you single crochet into the chain 1 space here. So you repeat the same steps until you get to the end of row 2. So you're at the end of the row 2. So this is how your work looks like. So at the end of row 2, you single crochet into the chain 2 space here at the end. You single crochet 1, chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. So from here onwards, you repeat row 2 until you get your desired length. So row 3, you just single crochet into the chain 1 space there. Chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1. chain 1, you're at the end of the row, you single crochet into the space here, the chain 2 space there. You chain 1 into that space, then you chain 2, and you turn your work, then you're on row 4. So you continue repeating the same steps until you get your desired length. At the end of the row, we chain 1, and then we single crochet into the chain 2 space, and then chain 2, turn your work. So the thing to remember, the main 2 things to remember is you should have chain 2 at the beginning of every row, and you single crochet into the first chain space, then you chain 1 and then single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and that's it. I'll also do a live on IG for those who would want to see me doing it live. So join me. I'll announce the date when I'll be doing the live. Those who would like to join, you can join me on IG, and we will talk about the stitch. When I finish the scarf, I'll come back and show you how it looks like. I'll post a few photos on Facebook so that you can see. With this pattern, you can do blankets, you can do like scarves, you can also crochet fingerless mittens, you can crochet anything, sweaters. If you still have questions on how to crochet the seed stitch, comment below and I will be happy to answer any questions that we have on how to crochet the seed stitch. You can also contact me on Facebook or on Instagram or on TikTok. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again soon.